to breaking news that's We're cutting across to breaking news that's coming in from the Supreme Court on the oxygen crisis in the national capital. The Supreme Court has put the onus on the centre to supply 700 metric tons of oxygen to Delhi. The Supreme Court has refused, in fact, to go back on its earlier order and has made it very clear that the centre has to supply the 700 metric tons of oxygen to the national capital. That's not all. The top court has asked the centre to detail its plan on how exactly this much of oxygen will be supplied to Delhi. The centre's been given time. Supreme Court has told the centre that they must submit their plan for Delhi by 10:30 tomorrow morning in court. A show cause notice for contempt was issued by the High Court yesterday. It was stayed by the Supreme Court, but the top court making it very, very clear that the centre is responsible for ensuring adequate oxygen supply in the national capital. Nalini Sharma is joining us with more details on this. Nalini, going by the observations from the Supreme Court, it's clear that the Apex Court has said that the buck stops with the centre on the issue of oxygen supply.
Well, Akshita, it must be coming as a massive relief to the union government because the show cause notice that was issued yesterday by the Delhi High Court asking centre to explain why contempt proceedings should not be initiated against them has in effect been stayed by the Supreme Court bench today. So that means that the High Court cannot continue hearing this matter as far as the contempt proceedings are concerned. But at the same time, the Supreme Court made it abundantly clear that this does not restrain the High Court from hearing the matter on any other aspect. At the same time, the Supreme Court also made it clear that they will not go back on their earlier order because the order that was released on the 2nd of May after a detailed hearing before the Supreme Court stated that the centre must supply 700 metric tons of oxygen because that was the projected demand that was given by Delhi. So the Supreme Court made it clear that they will not go back on that, although the centre argued that 700 metric tons is not required for Delhi and that an audit is required of exactly how much requirement Delhi needs and that Delhi can manage with 500 metric tons. But the Supreme Court refused to accept all of that at this point. They've said that as of now, on a daily basis, 700 metric tons of oxygen has to be given to the Delhi government by the central government. And a detailed plan in that regard needs to be submitted before the Supreme Court by 10:30 a.m. tomorrow on how the centre plans to do that.
So while the Supreme Court has granted some relief to the centre, the show cause notice for contempt has been stayed. They've also said that the centre must provide answers on what really the plan is for the national capital in dealing with this oxygen crisis. Nalini, thank you for joining us with those details. And it's over to our hospital horror segment. These are stories of apathy,